Welcome to Homework Lib.
Using curved arrows to show the movement of electrons, draw a mechanism in the blue box, then click the check mark to see if you're correct. Draw the products in the green box for the acid-base reaction. So pyridine acts as a base, it donates electrons and pushes it to the new conjugate base. And the product would be pyridinium